Learn how to earn $1,000 per month in dividend income, even if you're starting small. In this video, we'll break down how dividend investing works, how much you need to invest, and which types of dividend stocks can help you reach financial freedom. Topics covered: what are dividends and how they pay you, how to calculate your monthly dividend goal, the best dividend-paying stocks, and building a $1,000 month passive income plan. Subscribe for more investing basics, stock market tips, and passive income ideas every week. Imagine earning $1,000 every single month without working for it. That's the power of dividend investing, where your money works for you, even while you sleep. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to build a dividend portfolio that pays you $1,000 per month, step by step. Section 1. What are dividends? A dividend is a payment that companies make to their shareholders, usually every 3 months. Think of it like a reward for owning a piece of the company. Big, stable companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and PepsiCo have paid dividends for decades, even during recessions. Section 2. How much you need to invest. So, how much money do you actually need to make $1,000 every month? Let's keep it simple. If your average dividend yield is 4%, you'd need about $300,000 invested to earn $12,000 per year, or $1,000 per month. But don't worry, you don't need that amount today. You can start small and reinvest your dividends to grow faster through compounding. Section 3. Best dividend stocks and ETFs. Some of the best dividend ETFs include ICE, De Schwab UN Sun, Dividend Equity 8, VYM Vanguard, High Dividend Yields, ETF DGR, OI Shares, Dividend Growth ETF. These ETFs hold dozens of high-quality companies that consistently pay dividends, making them perfect for beginners. Section 4. Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Use a dividend reinvestment plan, also known as DRAP, to automatically reinvest your dividends into more shares. Over time, your monthly income will snowball without you having to lift a finger. And that is how you can start building a dividend portfolio that pays you $1,000 a month. In passive income, start small, stay consistent, and let compounding do the work. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.